Have you ever wondered how much your emotions and self-love shape your reality? In this video, we're going to explore a powerful 3-day practice that reveals the hidden impact of self-love and emotions. This simple yet revolutionary approach can help you release old feelings, create a positive mindset, and uncover a sense of inner peace and freedom. Stick with this for just 3 days, and you may be amazed at the change you feel. Self-love is more than just a feel-good concept. It's the foundation of how we view ourselves and our lives. When we cultivate self-love, we create a mindset that supports positivity, resilience, and personal growth. This first step is about recognizing that you deserve kindness and compassion from yourself. When you truly love yourself, you're better able to handle challenges, and you don't rely on others for validation. Over the next 3 days, focusing on self-love will help set the stage for releasing anything that no longer serves you, making way for peace and fulfillment. Each day, remind yourself that self-love is your natural state and a key to emotional freedom. Day 1, observing and releasing emotions. On day 1, we'll focus on gently observing and releasing emotions that feel heavy or restricting. Start by setting an intention. Today, I choose to let go of emotions that do not serve me. This simple intention guides your mindset, helping you stay focused on emotional release throughout the day. Begin by finding a quiet spot where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow your mind to settle. Gently turn your attention inward, noticing any emotions that might be present. These could range from stress and frustration to more subtle feelings of unease. Without judgment, simply observe these emotions as though you're watching them from a distance. Once you've identified any emotions, ask yourself, is this feeling truly serving me? Look, we all get lost in mud. Often we hold on to emotions out of habit, even if they no longer contribute positively to our lives. Recognizing that these emotions may be holding you back is a powerful first step toward releasing them. To help release these emotions, try a visualization exercise. As you take a deep breath, imagine drawing in calm, supportive energy. When you exhale, visualize releasing the emotions that feel heavy, allowing them to dissolve or float away. This mental practice creates a shift, making it easier to let go of what no longer aligns with your well-being. Throughout your day, practice observing emotions as they arise, without getting attached to them. For example, if you feel irritated or frustrated, take a deep breath and acknowledge the feeling. Then gently remind yourself that you have the power to release it. Emotions are temporary, like waves. They rise, fall, and eventually pass. If you want to encounter an emotion that seems persistent, consider asking yourself, is this helping me grow, or is it keeping me stuck? This question helps build awareness of your inner state, enabling you to choose whether to hold on to or release it. This simple inquiry can help reduce the power of strong, unwanted emotions. Throughout the day, whenever you feel weighed down, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply. With each exhale, imagine releasing any lingering tension or negative feelings. this quick exercise can help you refocus and reset your mindset. It can also be helpful to keep a small journal with you, noting any patterns you notice in your emotions. Writing down these observations can serve as a powerful reminder of the thoughts and feelings that no longer serve you and reinforce your intention to release them. As you continue, try not to judge yourself for any emotion that arises. Simply acknowledge it as part of your experience and release it gently. This practice of non-judgment creates a supportive inner space, allowing you to experience emotions without being defined by them. In the evening, take a few moments to revisit your intention. Reflect on any emotions you observed and released throughout the day. Thank yourself for taking this first step toward emotional freedom and set an intention to continue the practice tomorrow. Letting go is a process, so remind yourself that you don't have to release everything in one day. Be patient with yourself, trusting that each day brings more clarity and ease. By the end of day 1, you may notice a sense of lightness and relief. This experience marks the beginning of a journey toward emotional freedom, showing you the power of simple awareness and intentional release. Day 2, cultivating self-compassion. On day 2, we'll focus on self-compassion in more ramifications than just how we manage our sentiments. Self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness, especially during challenges or when you experience strong emotions. When you're compassionate with yourself, it becomes easier to let go of self-criticism and heavy feelings. Start your day with a simple affirmation. I am kind and gentle with myself. Say this out loud or in your mind, letting it set a positive tone for the day. This reminder helps build a compassionate mindset, making emotional release feel natural and effortless. Throughout your day, notice how you respond to yourself in different situations. For example, if you make a mistake or feel frustrated, take a moment to pause. Instead of criticizing yourself, offer words of kindness as you would to a friend. This gentle approach softens your inner dialogue, helping you let go of judgment and negativity. Whenever self-critical thoughts arise, pause and take a deep breath, reminding yourself, I am doing my best and that's enough. This phrase grounds you in the present moment, releasing any unnecessary pressure you may place on yourself. In the evening, reflect on how practicing self-compassion affected your day. Notice any lightness or sense of ease that comes from treating yourself with kindness. By the end of day 2, you may feel more connected to your inner self, ready to release lingering negative emotions. Day 3, practicing gratitude and positive affirmations. On the 3rd day, focus on gratitude and positive affirmations to reinforce the positive energy you've built. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's weighing you down to what uplifts and supports you, creating a powerful energy shift. Start your day by thinking of 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. This might be a warm cup of tea, or a kind gesture from someone, or even a moment of peace. Allow yourself to feel genuine appreciation for each one. This practice lifts your spirits and sets a positive tone for the day. Use positive affirmations throughout the day to reinforce self-love and let go of negative emotions. Phrases like, "I am worthy of love and happiness," or "I release all that no longer serves me," support your intention of letting go and building a positive mindset. When faced with challenges or negative emotions, pause and repeat an affirmation that resonates with you. This small act can help refocus your mind, keeping you aligned with your goal of emotional freedom. In the evening, reflect on how gratitude and affirmations affected your day. Notice any changes in your mood or mindset, feeling the strength of the positive habits you've cultivated. Now that you've practiced self-love for 3 days, think about creating a routine to keep these positive habits alive. A self-love routine doesn't have to be complex. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes each morning for deep breaths, an affirmation, or expressing gratitude. Daily self-love practices help you stay grounded, balanced, and connected to your inner peace. Consistent actions like these build a foundation of self-respect, making it easier to navigate life's ups and downs. By creating a routine that feels natural and fulfilling, you're committing to prioritize your well-being. Incorporating self-love into your daily life can have a lasting impact on your happiness and emotional freedom. After completing the 3 days, take a moment to reflect on any changes you've noticed. Consider moments when you successfully let go of an emotion or treated yourself kindly. This reflection strengthens your connection to the practice and reinforces the power of self-love in your life. Write down any positive experiences or insights you gained. These notes serve as reminders of your growth and can be encouraging when you need motivation. Even small shifts in mood or mindset show you're on the right path. Celebrate any progress you've made, whether it's feeling lighter, more peaceful, or more aware of your emotions. Accept the journey, knowing you can carry these practices forward. Thank you for joining me on this 3-day journey to unlock the power of self-love and release emotions that no longer serve you. By dedicating a few moments each day, you're taking steps toward peace, balance, and connection with your true self. If this video resonated, please like and subscribe for more insights into creating a life filled with positivity and empowerment. Let's continue this journey together, discovering the strength within us all.